This video will guide you to fill a solar rooftop application on the PM Surya Ghar portal on behalf of a consumer. Once you log in, you will come to your dashboard like this. Click on Interested Consumer List in the menu on the side panel to identify consumers who have shown interest, and allowing you to fill the rooftop solar application on their behalf. Click on the menu on the side panel to see the consumer request list. You will come to the consumer request list with tabs to check pending, accepted and rejected requests. Once you accept the consumer request, the application will show under the accepted list of consumer request list. In the accepted list, you will see the option to start application under the action column. You will see the updated status of the application once you have created the application and send it to consumer for final submission. Once you start the application, first you have to select the state from the drop-down where the installation is desired. Select corresponding district for the selected state. Select the relevant distribution company from the list. Input the consumer account number to fetch details from the electricity company. Retrieve essential consumer data by clicking on Fetch Details button. Click on Next button once the details are fetched. Select gender from the drop-down. Select location type from the drop-down to choose urban or rural. Select development block or taluka if you chose rural in the location type. Select the relevant village panchayat from the drop-down. Click on the solar rooftop details section. Choose the category of the application, whether residential or RWA. Enter the proposed solar plant capacity desired by the consumer. Click on Pick from Map button to choose the longitude and latitude of the location where solar rooftop needs to be installed. This will open the map and you can choose the exact location for this particular application to get the longitude and latitude coordinates. Click on Select button to save the longitude and latitude coordinates. You may check the checkbox for giving up subsidy if you are sure that the consumer does not want the subsidy. Otherwise, proceed without ticking this box. You can either save the application in draft or click on Send to Consumer button to send it to consumer for his review and final submission. This concludes the process of creating an application on behalf of a consumer.